Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hey guys, I've got a gist for you, and it's about Momiwa. Do you know it's Momiwa? Momiwa, the lady that do skit with the MC, Mr. Macaroni. Hello, are you're doing well? Mr. Freaky Freaky. Yes, Momiwa is in the news, and this time around it's for the good reason. I love it when friends support friends. When friends rub my back, I rub your back. Yes, Momiwa at Kemze, she's a good lady, a good woman at that matter. Yes, she's in the news for the good reason, and this time around she's live at the official opening of Paramount Comedy yes, boutique at Idimu. So Momiwa was there at Kemsi Mama. She was there for the official opening of Paramount Comedy boutique of her friend. She was there to support her. She was just, you could see it all over her. She was, happy for her friend. She was dancing, spraying money. That's what we ladies are supposed to be doing. We're supposed to get each other's back. Rub my back, I rub your back. No matter what, notwithstanding anything, even if it doesn't rub your back, rub their back. It's good. Momwa, nice one there. Thumbs up for you. So that's a good one. That is it about Momiwa. The new, should I call her a new one? I don't know. We don't even know. She's still married. She's married.